In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a seamless pattern to make a complex cylinder. Let me take a few seconds to talk about the sponsor of this video, jlc3dp.com. It's a company that provides 3D printing and CNC machining services. This is a 3D model that I sent to them and they 3D printed it for me in metal. As you can see, it's nicely protected. And take a look at the amount of details. It looks exactly like my 3D model. They have a wide choice of materials: plastic, nylon, fully transparent resin, black resin, metal, and you can also print your models in full color. If you want to use their services, you just have to create an account on the website, upload your file, and you can choose between 4 formats such as STL, STP, STEP, and OBJ. They provide a lot of different 3D printing technologies such as stereolithography, multi-jet fusion, selective laser melting, fused deposition modeling, selective laser sintering, and white jet process. Your order will be completed within 38 to 72 hours and can be delivered in 3 days worldwide. Every new user can get a $60 free coupon to spend on the website. Click on the link in the description to get your coupon. Let's add a circle with 8 sides. Fill the circle with a grid fill. Select the bottom faces, delete them, select these edges, extrude them on the y-axis, add some edges, push everything upward, select the faces, press Alt-E, spin, click on Use Duplicates, and type 3. Get rid of the extra faces, or merge the vertices by distance. Select these vertices, merge at center, press F to fill the gap, inset, collapse the polygon at the center by pressing Shift S and choose Selection to Cursor. Remove these edges, select these vertices, scale them towards the 3D cursor. Select everything, I to Inset. Remove the inner faces, set the origin to the 3D cursor, rotate the model on the Z-axis by 60 degrees. Ctrl A, apply the rotation. Duplicate the model, push it to the right, rotate it by 60 degrees again. Duplicate both models, push them upward, select all the meshes, Ctrl J to join them, delete 1/2 of the polygons on each side. Press F to bridge these edges. Remove this edge and bridge the gap like this. Now, to get that loop at the center, select the vertices and merge them at center. Press Shift R to repeat the latest command. Remove this edge, move the vertices to get the desired shape. Let's mirror the model to the other side. Remove these faces at the bottom. Select these polygons. Ctrl+ to grow the selection, then delete them. Select these faces. Shift D to duplicate. Snap them onto the bottom vertices. You need to enable the snapping button first and set it to vertex. Remove the top part. Select these faces. Shift D to duplicate. Snap them at the bottom, mirror everything to the other side. Select these borders. Push them downward on the z-axis. Add an array modifier and increase the number of copies on the x-axis. Click on merge and increase the merging value. You can click on first and last copies. Add another array modifier and add more copies on the y-axis. Reduce the y value to bring the copies closer to the original mesh. Click on merge. Apply the modifiers. Change the origin position to the center of the mesh, then snap the mesh onto the 3D cursor at the center of the world by pressing Ctrl-Shift-S, then choose Selection to Cursor. Extrude everything on the z-axis. SY0 to flatten the faces. Delete the faces on the sides. Add a simple deform modifier. Set it to bend. Increase the value to 360 degrees. Change the axis to Y. Add an empty. And set the empty as the origin. Rotate the empty by 90 degrees on the y-axis. Apply the modifier. Then select all the vertices and merge by distance. Select these faces. Delete them. Select these borders. Extrude them. Then press SY0 to flatten them. Right-click, Loop Tools Circle. Do the same to the opposite side. Select this ring of edges, Shift-G to open the Select Similar menu and choose Length. Reduce the threshold value to get rid of the unwanted edges. Press Ctrl-3 to turn the selection into face mode. Go to Select, Select Loops, select Boundary Loops. Then add a bevel with a profile of 1. Now select the sharp edges of your pattern. Bevel them as well. Grid fill the gaps on the sides, then change the values to orient the faces with the world. Add a bevel. Add some support loops. Repeat everything on the other side. To evenly space the edges out, select these rings of edges. Right-click, Loop Tools, Space. Repeat these steps inside of the cylinder. And this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. It helps me a lot with the algorithm. Thank you for watching. Bye.